to check out a abandoned train. It goes down these tracks here. Yeah, it's down these tracks. It originally was right here by the fire department, right there. But they ended up moving it down. As you can see, it's all the way down there. But let's get this shit going. Fuck it. Okay, so watch out, dumbass. It comes out to be a plus because there's one on the right and one on the left. So we're going to explore this one on the right. Out. Okay, so we couldn't get in on the back because, you know, it's a high jump, so. Oh, it's all water.
Really?
Yeah, it's like a bunch of water right here.
Warning, warning.
No, because it's got a second floor.
Shit.
Oh, shit.
Holy shit. Damn, this shit's like that. Is this supposed to be like that?
I don't know. Hello from below. Wait,
Right.
hello from above. Be very careful, there's broken glass everywhere.
This is for you guys.
Peace, love, anal. Yeah, baby.
Oh my god.
Yeah, that's a
small
bad
ass bathroom. Oh, we all over here. Yeah, we're God, man. Bruh.
What the fuck?
I'll fucking push it back. Oh, that's fucking up. I can't fit.
I don't think we can get through this way either. So we're gonna have to hop out anyway. This is where all the seats are coming from outside. Damn, there's no seats up here. They said, fuck them seats.
Holy shit, what the fuck happened?
Emergency exit, not no more. And they cleaned this bitch out. They said seats for days. How do you just steal seats and not even get noticeable?
Do you think you go in there?
Probably not. If it don't slide, then no. Oh, it slides right open.
Come on, guys. Holy shit, what the fuck happened in here? Definitely keep balance.
And then there's a bunch of glass, so be careful.
For real. Oh, Zach has to fit this one.
Ain't no way. Ain't no fucking way.
That's it?
Yeah, we can't get through all that. I'm not playing no fucking jungle gym up in this bitch.
What,
It's right next to O'Hare Airport. You can literally hear the plane. Somebody in there. We just ran into a dude and scared the shit out of us. The dude was here straight baiting. And we scared the fuck out of him because he obviously disappeared. We're here to explore. I'm pretty sure it got abandoned because it hit somebody and it was just left here after that. That's why it was up by the tracks, because it hit a lady up at the tracks and then pushed it back.
person?
Yeah, like a person.
Like in a car?
I have no idea. I do a lot of research. I just heard abandoned train and I'm like, let's go.
It's a rat. This way.
how long is this freaking train?
It's longer than the sun.
Longer than my future. This looks like it was on fire.
Yeah. I think it might have been on fire. It's on fire now. It's not white. It's like this. It's on fire.
Doo-doo. No smoking. Oh yeah. I break all the rules. Well, damn. Fam likes balls in his mouth. Oh, Sam likes balls in his mouth. Good for you, Sam. Oh, fuck, spider web. For my life over here. We're by a building now. We've reached the end of the train.
Really?
Yeah.
There's somebody in here.
Someone drinks in here, obviously.
Oh, somebody was here.
Whoever wrote triketamine should die. Thank you.
Yeah, pee, so we gotta go somewhere.
Alright, we're gonna start heading back then.
There's another train, I thought.
Yeah, to go explore the second train.
I can do that. Go there. You can do that. Don't go that far now.
Oh, look, another bathroom. Jesus Christ. He goes like good rooms, and this one's like burnt to shit. Like, what the fuck y'all do in here? Exactly, like, only one. We ran out of the train because we heard more people that freaked us out, right? And there's these people on top of the train. So we pretty much walked through the first one. We were gonna walk back through on the way out, but we heard a lot of people, and that's a no-go, dude. That's freaky. In the middle of fucking nowhere. But that was exploration of train number 1. We're headed to train number 2 now. So this was the original train that I looked up, and I was like, ooh, let's go. I don't know why that one was there. It looked like it burned maybe, but I'm pretty sure this one might have been the one that hit the lady. This one was the one that was at the bottom of the tracks over there that got pushed back over her. 2 for 1 though, that's what's up. The people though, what's up. Let's go. I got the zipper pocket, so I'm good. Holy shit. It's in my back pocket. Dude, we're in like the cockpit. What's up? We going 200 on my. Aw. Come on, I wanna go 200, bitch. We going 200. We're going. I see you. Hey, yo, bitch, get out the way. Beep, beep. Down the stairs.
I got stairs.
On the side.
See all that?
Smells like fucking oil. Appetizing. Flintstone style, baby. It's locked up.
Wow. So much for this train.
We're all locked up. What the fuck? Y'all can't fit through the windows.
You can.
There's no like side things. What the fuck? Oof.
Hold on.
Fuck it. I just dropped. The locks on all the doors. The rest of them are closed. Bunnies. Oh. There's one long train, and then you can go in the caboose of this train, which is pretty dope. So I've never been in the top of that. And then it's got this one other one, but it's locked, so you can't get in. Nothing else can catch. So that was our exploration of the abandoned train that obviously got separated into two in Bensonville. Definitely check out, must see. I've never been to abandoned train, so this shit was awesome. Pretty fun. Except for, you know, Dumb and Dumber throwing rocks in the back. But stay tuned. Like, subscribe. Definitely a lot more coming soon. Do the roar! Do the roar!